Liam's very happy that you're going to read to him.
Yep. Let's read to him. Read books.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yes, that's right. Check him. I'm Chico. I'm Chico. I'm Cheat, Mommy. Where's Mommy? Where's Mommy?
I don't know. Where do you think she is?
Yeah.
Do you like that book, Liam?
Duck, cow, hen, chicken, small duck, sheep.
Where's the small duck? Oh, yeah, that is a small duck. Hey. What do you think, Liam? Good book. Do you want Marissa to read some more? Yeah, I think he's excited about reading more. You should read him some more.
Turtle and crab. See that sounds
Oh, yeah.
Look. Fish and turtle also disclose.
Oh.
Penguin, the dolphins roll near in the bubbles.
Can I see that one? Can you show me?
I'll read some another book.
Is it this one, the penguin and the dolphin?
Yep.
Oh, wow, yeah. How about that?
I'll read another book for Liam. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, buddy.